are going to begin with the lesson number 12 of your class 7 English, that is battle and friendship. So let's begin with this lesson. It was hot, very hot time of the year and Tom walked about in his vest and shorts. बहुत hot time था. Tom किसमें walk कर रहा था? अपने vest में और अपने shorts में. The ground was dry, the grass brown, the trees listless, lovely, stirring, waiting for a cool wind or a refreshing shower of rain. जो क्या था, ग्राउंड बहुत ज्यादा ड्राई हो गया था, सूखा पड़ गया था. जो आपकी ग्रास थी वो मतलब ब्राउन हो गई थी, जल गई थी. The trees listless, lovely, stirring, waiting. किसका वेट कर रही थी? Trees, cool wind का या फिर refreshing rain shower का. It was a hilly area with forest that stretched away interminably on all sides of Sandy Hill Station. वो क्या था? एक hilly area था. Tom's father was in government service school. Tom father क्या थे? Government service में थे. His family was happy to arrive at the Sandy Hill Station. उनकी family बहुत ज़्यादा happy हुई थी Sandy Hill Station पे आने के लिए. But the month of June, वो क्या था? जून का month था. In less than a month, Tom had discovered a pool in the forest. एक month से कम है. Tom ने क्या ढूंढा था? एक pool ढूंढा था forest में. The rocks held the water in the pool. उसमें क्या थी? Rocks थी pool के अंदर. A small stream emerged from a cluster of rocks. एक strong क्या आ रही थी? Small stream आ रही थी किसमें से? A cluster of rocks में से to feed the pool. The water had a gentle translucency, मतलब gentle translucency, transparent था, and one could be the smooth round pebbles at the bottom of the pool. की कोई देख सकता है small round pebbles bottom में pool के. The pool was clean, pool एकदम clean था, cool था and inviting था कि invite करे कि आओ बात करो मेरे में. Tom leapt into water. Tom गया water के अंदर. He swam a short distance. उसने short distance swim करा. His limbs were supple. उसके limbs एकदम supple हो गए थे, free of any excess sweat, and his dark green body glistened. उसकी dark green body glisten करने लगी patches पे of sunlit water. Now he was there for almost an hour, sliding in and out of the limpid green water. वो कभी अंदर जा रहा था, कभी बाहर आ रहा था. 1 घंटे तक वो वहाँ रहा और lying stretched out and smoothly yellow rocks in the shade of broad-leaved sal trees. Suddenly he noticed another boy standing a little distance away. एकदम उसने एक और boy को देखा जो थोड़ी दूर खड़ा था. Staring at him in a rather hostile manner. वो उसकी तरफ stare कर रहा है. The other boy was a little older than Tom. वो थोड़ा सा older था, Tom से taller था, well built, अच्छा खासा बड़ा था, with a broad nose and thick red lips. उसकी broad nose थी, thick red lips थे. He called out, "Oh boy, what are you doing here? Oh boy, तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?" Tom was used to be friendly. Tom बहुत ज़्यादा friendly था. He invited the boy, "Please sit here. I am Tom. चलो यहाँ आओ बैठो. मेरा नाम Tom है. My father is in government service. मेरे father government service में. We have come on transfer. यहाँ transfer पे आए हैं हम. I shall join a school here. मैं यहाँ पे school join करूँगा. Whoever you are, I don't care. तुम कोई भी हो, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. The pool is mine. ये जो pool है, the pool is mine. ये मेरा है. Run away from here, said the stranger. Stranger ने बोला यहाँ से जाओ. The forest belongs to all the public, said Tom. Tom ने बोला forest तो सबका है. I don't care. I have beaten up many who have come here to spoil the pool. मैंने बहुत सारों को मारा जो यहाँ पे pool में pool को खराब करने के लिए आए हैं. You are only boasting, said Tom. तुम खाली boast कर रहे हो. I will have to beat you, said the stranger. मैं क्या तुम्हें भी beat करना पड़ेगा? Assuming a violent attitude दे रहा था उसे, showing Tom the first of his hand. उसने अपना hand दिखाया. I am waiting to see you to do this, said Tom. Tom ने बोला मैं wait कर रहा हूँ कि चलो तुम करके दिखाओ. The other boy tried to slap Tom in the face, but Tom grabbed his hand. जैसे उसने अपना hand उठाया slap करने के लिए, Tom ने उसका hand पकड़ लिया and swung his arm up and pushed a hard bony fist into the other's face. उसने उसका hand swung करा और भी hard bony fist उसके face में मार दी मतलब. And they were at each other's throat. मतलब एक दूसरे लड़ाई कर रहे थे वो. Swaying on the rock, कभी rock पे sway कर रहे थे मतलब moving from side to side in the fight. Tumbling on the sand, tumbling मतलब falling down quickly, suddenly, sand especially with rolling movements. And rolling over and over. Their legs and arms rocked in a desperate, violent struggle. बहुत ज़्यादा लड़ाई हो रही थी. Gasping and cursing, clawing and slapping, they rolled into the shallow of the pool. वो shallow of the pool में roll करते हुए चले गए. Even in the water, The fight continued. पानी के अंदर भी फाइट चलती रही. As slippery and covered with mud, वो मतलब mud में हो गए. They groped for each other's head and throat. एक दूसरे के सर पकड़ रखा था, throat पकड़ रखा था. But after some minutes of finished struggle, neither boy had emerged victorious. Their bodies were heavy with exhaustion. वो थक चुके थे. These were the movements only of heavy breathing. मतलब सब गहरी सांसें ले रहे थे. And the rapid beating of their hearts, उनके दिल तेज धड़क रहा था. They stood back from each other, making tremendous efforts to speak. मतलब एक दूसरे से दूर खड़े रहे. Now, do you realize I am a warrior? gasped the stranger. क्या तुम्हें realize मैं एक warrior हूँ? Do you know I am a fighter? said Tom with difficulty. तुम्हें पता है मैं fighter हूँ. वो मतलब डिफिकल्टी हो रही थी उन्हें बोलने में. Leave the pool or I will beat you again. पूल छोड़ दो नहीं तो मैं तुम्हें दोबारा मारूंगा. I will not leave it. टॉम ने बोला नहीं मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगा. Then come tomorrow I will break your bones. चलो कल आना मैं तुम्हारी हड्डियां तोड़ूंगा. I will come tomorrow. हाँ मैं आऊंगा कल. Unable to fight and unable to speak, they returned to their homes. वो अपने घर वापस चले गए. It was difficult for Tom to conceal the fact that had been an unusually violent fight. वो अपने घर पे नहीं बता पा रहा था ये ऐसी लड़ाई हुई है. His torn clothes, bruises and scratches told everything. उसकी torn clothes, bruises and scratches सब चीज बता दी थी. Next day Tom felt weak and lazy and not at all eager for a fight. मतलब अगले दिन वो weak feel कर रहा था, लड़ने के लिए ready नहीं था. His body was sore after the previous day encounter. उसकी body थक चुकी थी, but he could not refuse the challenge. Challenge refuse नहीं करा. If he surrendered now, he would be beaten for all time, but to fight and be beaten left him free to fight again. वो मतलब अगर उसने अब सरेंडर कर दिया, सरेंडर मतलब कि to stop fighting when you realize that you cannot win. अगर उसने सोच दिया तो वो पूरी लाइफ बीट में उसको पूरी लाइफ हर कोई मारेगा. When Tom reached the pool, he saw his opponent sitting stripped to the waist on a rock on the other side of the pool. उसने देखा कि जैसे वो पूल पे पहुंचे उसका जो अपोनेंट था वो वहीं बैठा था पूल में डिप करके. He saw Tom beneath the salt tree. Tom को देखा उसने salt tree के नीचे and called a challenge across the water of the pool. एक challenge दिया across the water of the pool से. Come over on the side and fight. चलो इस साइड और लड़ो. He shouted. But Tom was not going to submit any condition laid down by his opponent. किसी भी condition में lay down करने के लिए ready नहीं था. Now come this side and fight. He shouted back with equal vigor. चलो इधर आओ और लड़ो. उसने equal vigor में बोला. Vigor मतलब equal strength में. Swim across and fight me here. चलो swim करके आओ मेरे साथ fight करो. Call the other or perhaps you cannot swim the length of this pool. या तुम इस length of the pool में swim नहीं कर सकते. But Tom could have swum the length of the pool a dozen times without tiring. वो बहुत बार कर चुका है swimming वहाँ पे. And here he would show the warrior his superiority. Warrior को अपनी superiority दिखा देगा. So he dived straight into the water, cutting through it like a knife and surfaced with a hardly a splash. मतलब इतनी अच्छे से swimming करी एकदम कट करते हुए water को. The warrior's mouth hung upon an amazement. Warrior मतलब amazement एकदम shocked और surprised था. You can dive. He explained. क्या तुम dive कर सकते हो? Will you tell me how I will make a dive? क्या तुम मुझे बताओगे कैसे? I can also swim underwater, said Tom. मैं underwater भी swim कर सकता हूँ. Tom ने बोला. Will you teach me? क्या तुम मुझे teach करोगे? If you do not teach me, I will beat you. अगर तुम मुझे teach नहीं करोगे मैं तुम्हें मारूंगा. Will you come here every day and teach me? क्या तुम यहाँ रोज आओगे मुझे सिखाओगे? If you like, said Tom. अगर तुम्हें पसंद है तो मैं कर दूंगा. My name is Sam, said the warrior. I am a wrestler too. मेरा नाम Sam है. Warrior ने बोला और मैं wrestler भी हूँ. I shall teach you wrestling. मैं तुम्हें wrestling सिखाऊंगा. But you are too bony. But तुम बहुत ज़्यादा bony हो, पतले हो. मतलब you must come and have food with me. तो मेरे साथ आके खाना चाहिए. We are friends, said Tom. हम दोस्त हैं. Tom ने बोला. They both sat side by side on rock in the shade of salt tree. Side by side बैठे salt tree के नीचे. It's our pool, said Sam. Sam ने बोला अब ये हम दोनों का pool है. Nobody else can come here to swim. और कोई नहीं आएगा यहाँ swim करने. Who would dare? said Tom, smiling. किसकी इतनी हिम्मत होगी? Smile करते बोला. He had won the fight. वो fight जीत चुका था. Now that's all for this lesson. Now let's solve the exercises of this lesson. Now think and answer. Take the correct option. Tom discovered a dash in the forest. Pool. The pool belongs to Tom's father, Tom. Public, the other boys. Public. Public का भी था, मतलब पर वो other boy कह रहा था वहाँ पे. Who started the quarrel? Tom, villager, the other boy. The other boy. The other boy did not know fighting, diving, quarreling, swimming, diving. Who won the fight the next day? Tom, Sam, wrestler या warrior? Tom. Now fill in the blanks with the box. The pool was dash cold and inviting. The pool was clean, cold and inviting. After some minutes of dash struggle, neither boy and emerged victorious. After some minutes of frenzied struggle. If he surrender, now he would be beaten for all time. Now nobody else can come here to swim. Will you come here every day and teach me? Now answer the following questions. What is it that Tom finds difficult to conceal at home? He find difficult to conceal at home that he had a fight in the forest. Tom was not at all eager for a second fight. Why did he go back to the pool then? The Tom was not eager for the second fight, but he go to the pool because he don't want to surrender. If he surrender, he thought that he will be beaten all life. Who was the better swimmer? How did you know it? The Tom was the better swimmer because he did not face any difficulty in the diving. What surprised the warrior? The diving of the storm, the swimming of the Tom surprised the warrior. Why didn't the two boys continue the fight at the pool? The two boys did not continue the fight at the pool because they were stuck, they were thundered, they were tired of fighting, and they were taking, their hearts were in their mouths, they were taking deep breaths, and next day they becomes the friend. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this chapter. Thank you and have a great day.